Let us move into our meditation time. I invite you to take a few deep breaths. Closing your eyes if that feels right, or choosing a soft focus point. Allowing your spine to be elongated while your muscles are relaxed. Your shoulders are relaxed from your ears. And we breathe in gently. And with each breath, allowing further settling. Allowing the thoughts that may arise to gently do so, and then move along their way. Always allowing ourselves to come gently back to our center. We are fully human and fully divine, remembering the truth of who we are. Gently breathing ourselves back to center. Breathe. Allow the gentleness, the awareness of our truth. And so we allow this knowing of our oneness, the knowing of our divinity to fill every cell of our being. We imagine every cell vibrating with remembering the divinity, with remembering the light and the love and the joy that is embedded in every particle of the universe and within us. As we allow that feeling of knowing the energy that moves through us with so much joy and love, we feel it spreading over, reaching out, connecting. We know that same joy and divinity lives within each being, and we awaken, we call it forth. And those we know and those we don't know, that we are here together, calling forth a world of peace, of harmony, of understanding, of joy, compassion. Call it forth from our very selves. We imagine this world, we reimagine our world in harmony and joy and abundance and love. And so we take this time for gratitude for our practice, to dedicate our practice to the world and to peace. We let that gratitude fill us, and then we send it forth as we begin to bring our awareness back to this moment in this place. We notice our body Gently releasing any place where we may have noticed we got clenched or stuck. Wiggling those fingers and toes. Breathing with joy. And so it is.